Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is "Woman Thinks She's Entitled to Steal, Claims Police Harassment." Come on now. When you get caught, you can't claim police harassment. Nah, man. Stop crying. You do the crime, take your punishment like a woman.
On February 27, 2024, an officer approached a woman who matched the description of a suspected shoplifter.
This is my belongings. This is all of my belongings.
Keep your hand out of the bag, put it down, put the phone down, and give me an ID.
An ID? For what, sir?
Ma'am, I will place you under arrest and you should start
I didn't do
cooperating.
anything.
Okay. They told me at Target you stole a bag of stuff.
I didn't steal anything,
okay,
sir.
don't argue with me. Just give me your ID and we'll figure this out.
I didn't steal anything, sir. I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm a regular citizen. I'm on the phone with my mom. I didn't do anything wrong.
Your ID.
I don't have an ID, sir. I do not have an ID. Mom, can you come to first place right here? Because I'm being harassed by an officer. What is your name, sir?
Sit down.
What's your name?
12, you got a 94 round?
Yes, Mom.
Always calling
because I'm
mommy.
being harassed. I literally just came out of first watch, and now Officer Justin. What is your badge number, sir?
Sit down.
Sir, what is your badge? I know my rights. I know my rights, sir.
Turn around.
Hold on, no, I'm not turning around now. I'm not turning around. What the hell?
Okay, we must have a young bull on the scene. Oh, she ran through traffic? Oh, she's wildin'.
513, 131. We're in front of the police station.
Oh, yeah, she done and got caught. Oh, yeah. Oh, he fell? Come on, bro. Come on, we need you more active than this. Let's go, brother.
All right, we're going north Hollywood Boulevard.
Come on, you so close, my guy.
Stop running.
You got a young bull on the team. Oh, yeah. Act right.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Can I call my mom?
Act right, man.
Ow! Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
What's wrong?
I have two kids.
Oh, you gonna learn today.
I didn't do anything.
13, we'll have her in custody. We're in FedEx.
Sir, I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
Damn,
All
the
right,
brother had to
my
take
mom
him
is on the
down.
phone.
I don't care.
I got this.
Should have ran.
Because you were trying to detain me and I didn't do anything. Sir, please be gentle. I just got surgery.
That's your fault.
I didn't do anything wrong.
That's your fault. Yeah.
You wanted to detain me
FedEx.
for no reason.
On the boulevard, we got her in custody.
So anybody else doing?
Sir,
Shut up.
y'all trying to accuse me of
Stop
something.
talking.
And I just literally came out of first watch.
Stop talking.
Can you put my shoe on? Y'all just scared me. My brother died from the police officer.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't want to
Y'all
hear it.
scaring me. Of course I'm gonna run away.
Man, get off. Stop talking to me. Stop talking.
Sir, I didn't mean for you to fall. Ow!
Stop talking.
My phone.
Turn around.
Sir, my
Turn
phone.
around.
Ow, my phone.
I'm not worried about nothing.
Sir, I didn't
My
do
boy
anything wrong.
pissed. He tight. He like, y'all had to
finish.
run today? Oh,
Can
yeah.
you please give me my
Sit down. Sit down and in.
Can you please get
Sit down and in.
Sir, please, I will cooperate. I just want to talk to my
Get in.
mom.
You're not talking to no one. You're under arrest.
All right.
Let me go get my sunglasses. I drop them across the street.
Give me my phone. That's all I asked. That's all I asked. Where was she?
First watch.
And she ran where?
Straight to headquarters.
Are you serious?
Yep.
I wonder who she dating at the department.
Officer, can I please have my phone?
You want to search her? We didn't search her.
Let me get gloves.
That brother tight.
Please, ma'am, can I just please call my mom?
Okay.
She have my phone. That's my phone right there.
I will.
I just need to let her know
yes.
what's going on.
But at first, I need you to pat you down.
Okay, ma'am, can I tell you the reason why I ran?
Yes.
Because I felt like I was being questioned and I didn't do anything wrong.
Questioned by who?
By that officer right there.
Okay, so were you not just at Target?
Yes, I was in Target.
Did you do anything at Target? Be aware, don't lie, because there are cameras everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
So if there's a reason why we're interacting with you, it's because there's a reason. So think about what you did at Target that would have had us look for you specifically,
I
because
understand, I'm
you're very
25 years old.
specific. You have red braids, you know what I'm saying? So what did you do at Target?
I just met up with my friend at Target. She handed me a bag and I came in here and first watched to use the bathroom. As soon as I came out, the
Your
police...
friend handed you a bag at Target?
A Spanish friend that just came from Target.
You don't know what was in that bag?
No, ma'am. It was all I saw was on top was a black coat on top.
Stop
He asked me for
lying.
my ID. I told him that my ID was I don't have a. I just,
Your ID on you?
my ID should it's right there in my bag.
Just face the car, please.
But she said she ain't have her ID
Her bag
though.
of shit.
What was that?
She set it down on the bench in front.
And my foot hurt.
Just
Do you have
naturally run.
anything else? No, I just have a
We just
shirt
naturally run from the police.
on. No, I was just scared, bro. I just got out of jail like 2 months ago over some bullshit. The same bullshit. Like anything on you? No, it's just a bra. Oh, sure.
Hey, we gotta do a show up or anything like that?
We're doing it now.
All right.
I'm just asking. Can I get my mom number? That's
I will call. I'll give you the opportunity to call your mom. Give me a second. Sit down.
And this hurts under my legs.
What's under your leg? Okay, we'll have you checked out.
That's all I'm asking.
You know your mom's
It's in my phone. All I gotta do is put my fingerprint and I can
Okay,
write down.
just put
the
your
number.
feet inside.
That's it.
And she talked to her mom enough today. It's a wrap for that.
Is your car?
No. You just open it. Which one is it? Too.
This one. Please.
See, she too nice. She just hopped on the scene, man. I wouldn't let her talk to nobody. She
I just got
25.
freaking scared, bro. I got kids.
You're not gonna have stolen merchandise in that bag that your friend gave you?
No, man, not that I'm aware of. I promise you that.
Not that you're aware of, or not, or you know for sure that it's not gonna be stolen.
I haven't even looked inside.
So
of it.
what was she saying that you were meeting up for?
She just.
Yeah, it's leg.
And can you write it down, please?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I want to speak to her.
No.
She just came out of city.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Officer Bromley with the Hollywood Police Department. Your daughter, we just stopped her and detained her because apparently she was stealing at Target. They were looking at her right now. They were looking at her through the cameras as she was placing things into her bag, and she walked out of the business with all the stuff that she had stolen.
Okay.
Okay, so I will call you back as soon as we make a decision or we figure out what's going on. She started running from the police, and that's how we got involved, okay?
Hey, where's your LP lady?
Let's please speak to my mom. She just got out of surgery. She got my kids. I just want to talk to her.
Okay. That's gonna be up to the arresting officer to make that decision.
But what am I getting arrested for?
Right now, you're being detained as far as like pending a further investigation.
Okay, I understand I ran. I have anxiety, bro. He asked me for my ID. I told him that it was in my bag, and he was trying to basically pull the handcuffs on me, so I just ran, bro. I've never
Okay.
been in jail other than last 2 months ago over my baby dad. That's it, bro. I got a job at Wawa as a customer service associate. I have 2 kids, bro. I'm 25. I know what I have to do in my life. I just want to speak to my mom because she got my kids. I'm supposed to go to court today and talk to my
I mean, the biggest thing right now is a 25-year-old and you got kids and they're with your mom. You know your kids are safe right now.
Yeah, your mom said she has your kids. I told her I'd call her back in like 20 minutes or so. And I'll write down your number.
Because I was supposed to talk to her because I have to go to court about something with my...
Well, right now, we're not dealing with that. You asked me if I could call her to let her know.
The number?
Yes, I will write that down. Just let us figure it out first.
I have the white female victim going to identify the suspect. Starting mileage 2320. It's literally just across the parking lot.
Okay. Where'd she go?
She ran from us.
Oh, I figured.
She ran almost into the front door of the police department.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, that's awkward.
She's running because she got a warrant. She's got 3.
That's 3 on. All right.
One off on?
Just step out for us, ma'am.
It's just my leg.
What's wrong with your leg?
I got excited.
Just turn this way for me, all right?
Yeah, you ain't got no anxiety. You got
She's hit
warrants.
us 4 or 5 times in the past 2 weeks. Yes, that's her.
212 positive ID.
All right, just have a seat.
Positive ID, 923.
What's wrong with your leg? You said.
When I ran and they detained me,
So do you want me to call rescue to come check you out? Check your foot? Do you have a cut or anything like that, or just pain? Yeah, there's abrasion on there. Let me see it. All right, a minor little abrasion. All right, that's what you got from right here.
Yeah.
All right. So you got rescue come ID. We'll take a picture. All right, you have anxiety. All right. Bravo 14. All right, let's put your foot in.
Bravo 14.
Could you have rescue respond?
Hey, you got a victim statement?
I'm sorry, we're requesting rescue response reference.
The female complainant is complaining of leg pain.
Adult female complaining of leg pain and she is cautious and breathing.
10-4, conscious and breathing.
Get too old for this shit. Get the hell the door open. She just ran right into the police department.
You need to complain?
She was
We don't
gone
need
on
the
him.
shoplifting, right?
That's fine. I'll have her listed all on here. Thanks, man.
She was gone on the old guy.
Officer. Yep. Did y'all just say I had a warrant for my arrest?
Yeah, but listen. I'm gonna tell you this, right?
Yeah, be more honest.
No, I'm gonna tell you this.
Where you went wrong here, and I'm not gonna. You're a big girl. I'm not gonna talk to you like a child. When you run from the cops, and that creates something that now we have to do a lot of documentation for something that could have been handled so easily. It could have been a ticket. You know what I mean? Honestly, all right. So
what was the warrant for? If you don't
I don't even know. You're being charged for resisting without violence. He hurt his leg, all types of stuff. All right. For you understand what I mean?
Who hurt his leg?
He hurt his leg too. All right.
Man, injured the
Did
cop.
you chase?
Oh,
Did you
man.
run?
I did.
Oh, good for you.
I just told my lieutenant I'm getting too old for this shit, too.
That's awesome.
Luckily, my partner can run faster than me right now.
That's awesome. Oh, man.
He saved him. I ain't gonna lie.
So you're going to be charged with the crime. Keep your feet in there. You're going to be charged with the theft. So after we get a total for everything, it's going to be petty or grand. Depends on the total of everything.
All right.
There is video. You've been positively identified. Everything's done. And you want to charge you as well with the warrants and also obstruction because you ran from the police. Now, I'll give you clear, concise verbal commands to stop running after Officer Justice when he had contact with you. So with all that, now you're stacked pile your charges. Next time you'd be better just sitting there dealing with the problem and being done instead of elevating all these charges.
Right.
Okay, so sit tight and we're going to start in a few.
So what was the warrant for?
I don't know yet. They're confirming for me. I didn't check. I'll let you know though when I'm done. Yeah, you photographed both bags. She dumped the flowery bag inside the first watch trash can. And then the item inside there was target bag. So I can see on camera which bag was she using.
Well, she picked up the bag inside.
Yeah, so she probably used this.
Yeah.
I think so.
So she dumped it inside first watch?
Yeah, that's part of target. That's it. It has a tag on it. So you can lay it all out if you want. Probably want to take a picture with it in person. Okay. All right.
10-4,
How much was it? I can go over the total now. They can hold it for me.
She had no priors?
Oh yeah, she got priors. Yeah, she got warrants.
Shoplifting?
Yeah, it's a petty theft charge, so they're going to elevate it at some point.
Alright.
I'll let stay there.
Cool.
And I think they said they have problems with her, so they got other video of her doing it, so they can give it to the state for the case and they'll just upcharge it.
25, got kids.
Pretty sure she wasn't by
dumb.
herself.
No way.
Because the other guy this ID right here, I arrested him already. I arrested him before.
Well, she went straight here, so he might be in a parking lot. She's walking the vehicle.
Yeah. I arrested him on the east side. He was beating up his pregnant sister, and they both had fentanyl on them.
Jimmy, you want to transfer to mine or you want to hang out?
Where you want to do? I'll go back out west.
Either way.
Not throwing your car, I'll go back out west, I don't mind.
Let's go.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.